Ikomiti yeANC ejongene nokuziphatha kwamalungu ayo ithi yacela amanye amalungu ajongene nezityholo zorhwaphilizo kuba athi kubucala de kuqosheliswe uphando ngakuwo.
This PEC 2019 took a decision to ask Comrade Brian Hlongwa to step aside and waiting for the law enforcement agencies act or to clear him, and that has not been happening, and therefore such a case and many other cases that are not concluded do not create a good environment for either the party or the individual.
Lekomiti ithi ixolile ngesigqibo kumba kasodolophu waseRhawutini umnumzana Jeff Makhubo.
The charge against Jeff Makhubo was his involvement or conflict of interest and participating in a process which the PIC has cleared him not participating in the process.
Lekomiti ikwatyholwa ngokukhetha iphele emasini xa ichophele imiba ekumila kunje.
We have been consistent in dealing with issues from public and subjecting them to PIC, and from PIC, PEC takes a decision. And I want to believe that we are honestly and consistently dealing with this matter.
Sosiba weANC eGauteng uphefumlile nangamalungu alombutho abandakanyekayo kumba weVPS.
They have been asked to step aside. The second action is to remove them from the list of public representatives, because we think that they've acted in a manner that doesn't really represent the integrity of the ANC.
Lombutho weANC uthi onke amalungu abandakanyekayo kwizenzo zorhwaphilizo aza kuthatyathelwa amanyathelo.